Well, good morning. A little quick project on the Roadking right here. I'm gonna put this shifter rod on it. No big deal. It's just something nice that I bought a couple weeks ago at the Long Beach motorcycle swap meet. The factory one, it's okay. It's still good, but I just don't like the way it looks. Anyway, let's put this on real quick so we can go for a ride. Here's the shifter rod. We got these two really nice chrome screws for it, so let's put this on. All right, there it is. They're both the same. They're both the same length now, so that should be okay. Everything looks good on the mechanism here. There's no slop on this area here. The actual transmission shift lever is okay. These are kind of angled up a little bit too much. I might adjust that while I'm at it. I could have used my ratcheting wrench, but that'll be too easy. Working with one hand, holding the camera with the other. Hey, that's what it's all about. Anyway, no big deal putting this on. I just wanted to do it. Took the day off today. It's Friday, real early morning. No one's home. Everybody else went to work, but not me. I'm out here in the backyard. All right, let's go ahead and tighten this up right here. And that one's already tied here. So that's where we're at. Anyway, this here is actually pretty loose. This is the factory, I guess it's like a little plastic insert or rubber insert here on both the ends. They are kind of wobbly. Not that it would make a big difference in the shifting, but that new one with the heim joints on each end should be a little bit better. Anyway, it's on there. We'll put this in this bag here and take it to the swap meet, see who needs it for a carburetor linkage or something. Anyway, this is a 2001 Roadking. It's actually a very nice bike. I bought it a couple weeks ago. The first thing I did was got rid of that love seat that came on it. Big sofa, whatever you want to call it. That went out, and it had beach bars on it, really low beach bars that were like way down here. So I didn't feel right riding it with those. But I got these Factory 47 16-inch V-Club bars. And actually, I think it looks better. It rides better. It is a heavy bike, but it's an awesome ride. 21-inch 60 spoke or 50 or 60 spoke. I haven't counted them yet, but that's what they are on the front. 21-inch. Anyway, this is just a quick video. Friday morning. It's kind of a gloomy morning, but it should be okay for taking a ride. And I got some work done on the Roadrunner back there. Got some of it done, so I'll get to work on it later on this weekend. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. I really do appreciate you. If you can, subscribe to my channel. It would really help me get me over the 775 subscribers. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you don't, still give me a thumbs up, or you could do that. Either way, I would like to hear from you. Let me know what you think of my scooter and what you would do different on it. I just like the way that looks. You could see it's pretty good. Those fishtails are very loud, by the way. They are a little on the loud side. Anyway, have a good rest of the weekend. Be safe. Ride safe. And we'll see you next time.